Good morning, everyone. It is day 31 and it is Sunday, and it's a beautiful day, a little windy but sunny, and it's a really nice campground. Yeah, so it is windy. Yeah, so day 31 Sunday, so I'm gonna have to think now about a way to go back home, right? I need to be back in North Carolina by next Sunday at the latest. I'd like to get there on Saturday just to get a day to recover, I would say. So I was looking at the map and I think I have a plan, but as usual, my plan by now, right? They always change, but this is what I'm thinking about doing, at least for the next couple days. So today I pulled out the map of the US. So I am somewhere here north of the Grand Teton National Park, right? And I need to go all the way up here, North Carolina, right? So I did the in the GPS program, put my home address. So from here to here, it's over 2,000 miles, 2,070 miles with the shortest distance. Right, and I want to get back home, I would say by next Saturday would be great. If I get there on Sunday, well, fine, but Saturday would be nice. So what I'm going to do, because I have to go south east, I've decided that I am going to go first in Colorado, and I'm going to go to the Rocky Mountain National Park, because why not? It's kind of a, it doesn't add any distance, and I'm sure it's going to be really nice. So that's what I'm going to do. So from where I am today, which is here, to go to the entrance, the west entrance of the park is 440 miles. So I'm not sure I'm going to do that today. I'm going to take the not the main roads, but kind of the back roads again. So anyway, if I can do more than half today, it'll be great, and then I'll finish tomorrow and then explore the park tomorrow. So that's the plan for the next few days, and after that, well, I'm not sure. It most likely is going to be mostly highway. Not sure which one. Probably 70, and then shoot to North Carolina. So that is the plan for the next days. At least go to the Rocky Mountain National Park, and then after that, probably get the highway to get back home. So this is it. So I'm almost ready to go, and I'd better get going if I want to cover some grounds today. And I'll see along the way if I find some nice spot for the night, which is what I do every day. So I'll talk to you later. Cheers. p.m. and I found a campground. I'm still in Wyoming. I thought I was going to be in Colorado by now, but no. So I'm in Saratoga, Wyoming, and I found a campsite by the lake Saratoga, and it is full of bug. I don't think there are mosquitoes, so I guess that's a plus. So it was a boring day today. It was nice. I mean, nice weather, and really the roads are really nice. The landscape still amazing how the landscape can change so much in, I don't know, I think I drove 250 miles, something like that, maybe 300 miles. And so yeah, I am here for the night, and it's pretty quiet and pretty nice. And then I'll try to get a early start tomorrow and go to try to reach the Rocky Mountain National Park, which is the new plan for the day, fresh plan. So kind of hungry now as usual, so I'm gonna eat something, and let's see how the bugs are going to be. I think it's less here now. I was by the water back there and it was terrible, so yeah, a little better here, and maybe when it's gonna get dark and cold they'll go away. So well, just say that, and I don't know if you can see them, like right there. They're just around the Jeep, so I don't know, maybe because the Jeep is warm for now. So anyway, that is it for today, and tomorrow hopefully I'll be in Rocky Mountain National Park. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night. Yes, another beautiful sunset. Nice.